Hi friends, hello. Today we learn days of the week and I just play aeroplane. You play? Yes? Okay. So students start? Yes. First day is Sunday. Yes. U N D A Y. Sunday. Second day is